चितरंजन चितरंजन लोकोमोटिव वर्कर चितरंजन वेस्ट बंगाल। सेंट्रल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ रेलवे सेंट्रिफिकेशन इलाहाबाद उत्तर प्रदेश। सेंट्रल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ रेलवे इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन इलाहाबाद उत्तर प्रदेश। डीजल लोकोमोटिव वर्क वाराणसी उत्तर प्रदेश। डीजल लोको मॉडर्नाइजेशन वर्क पटियाला पंजाब। इंटीग्रल कोच फैक्ट्री चेन्नई तमिलनाडु। इंटीग्रल कोच फैक्ट्री चेन्नई तमिलनाडु। रेल कोच फैक्ट्री कपूरथला पंजाब। रेल कोच फैक्ट्री कपूरथला पंजाब। रेल व्हील फैक्ट्री बेंगलोर कर्नाटका। मॉडर्न कोच फैक्ट्री रायबरेली उत्तर प्रदेश। रेल व्हील प्लांट छपरा बिहार। डीजल कंपोनेंट फैक्ट्री डंकुनई वेस्ट बंगाल। इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन 26.269 किलोमीटर लेंथ 1,15,000 किलोमीटर ऑफ ट्रैक लेंथ ओवर अ रूट ऑफ 67312 किलोमीटर। हेडक्वार्टर न्यू दिल्ली इंडिया। स्टेशन 8,000 से 85। नेशनलाइजेशन 1951। फर्स्ट रेलवे ब्रिज देपुरू वेंदड़ू एंड मुंबई थाने रूट। फर्स्ट रेल टर्नल पारिश टर्नल। फर्स्ट रेलवे ब्रिज देपुरू वेंदुक मुंबई थाने। फर्स्ट रेलवे टनल पारिश्क टनल। फर्स्ट अंडरग्राउंड रेलवे कलकत्ता मेट्रो। नॉर्मल लेंथ ऑफ पैसेंजर ट्रेन 24 गेज। फर्स्ट कंप्यूटराइज रिजर्वेशन न्यू दिल्ली 1986। फर्स्ट ट्रेन न्यू दिल्ली टू दिल्ली भोपाल शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस इन फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन इन 150 किलोमीटर। फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन दिल्ली भोपाल शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस। दिल्ली भोपाल शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस स्पीड इज़ 150 किलोमीटर। फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिकल ट्रेन रन बिटवीन मुंबई टू विक्टोरिया टर्मिनस कर्नाल अलॉन्ग विथ हार्बर लाइन सेंट्रल रेलवे 3 फरवरी 1925। डिस्टेंस 9.5 मील। Shortest station is IB near Jharsuguda in Odisha, Old near Anand in Gujarat. Longest station Vintrakulam on Haryana section near Chennai. Oldest station Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Oldest train still running Bangalore Mail has been running in various gears since 1864. Oldest running dining car the Bombay Pune Deccan Queen. Busiest railway Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Longest run Vivek Express Dibrugh. Longest run time Vivek Express from Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. Travel distance 4273. Shortest run route between Nagpur to Anjani 3 kilometer. Longest run daily train. Run for daily train Kerala Express 3054 kilometer in 42.5 hour. Longest non-stop run distance Trivedinam Rajdhani covering 5 to 8 kilometer. Longest railway platform Gorakhpur 1.35 kilometer in length. Longest railway bridge rail link between Idpalli railway station and ICTT 4.62 kilometer. Tallest bridge the Gambhir Ghat bridge between Jammu Tiwari and Udhampur 77 mil tall. Longest run Kabadu tunnel of Konkan rail 6.5 kilometer. Oldest preserved locomotive Fairy Queen 1855 still working order. Daily running about 10,000 train. Daily carry more than 11 million passenger. 1 million ton of 11 million passenger and 1 million tons of freight. Railway station with the 3 gauges Siliguri railway station. People employed 11.5 million, fourth largest world. The train with maximum number of halt. Train with maximum number halt Howrah Amritsar Express 11 5 halt station across state line state line Navapura Maharashtra and Gujarat, Navapura Maharashtra and Gujarat, Bhiwani Mandi Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, northernmost railway station Barmula in Jammu Kashmir, Baramulla in Jammu Kashmir, westernmost most station Nalia near Bhuj in Gujarat, southernmost railway station Kanyakumari, easternmost railway station Ladon Bridge in line in Tinskuya, least punctual train Guwahati से त्रिवेंद्रम express is said to be the most unreliable long distance train in the country. The charted journey time is 65 hour and 5 minutes, but the average delay on a trip 10 to 12 hour. Longest non-stop travel trans with most stop Trivandrum H Nizamuddin Rajdhani Express travel the 528 stretch between Vadodara to Kota non-stop. First electrical locomotive 1908. First electric locomotive 9018. UNESCO World Site Chhatrapati Terminal and the Mountain Railway Darjeeling and Narrow Gauge Railway in West Bengal. First double decker train Flying Rani introduced in 2005. First double decker train Flying Rani introduced in 2005. Largest railway complex in India, Howrah Station. Largest railway complex in India, Howrah Station. Train cross the largest number of state. Navyu Express between the Bangalore and Jammu Tiwari. Train cross the largest number of state. अच्छा ऐसी जो ट्रेन जो क्रॉस करती है नंबर ऑफ स्टेट तो वो है नवयुग एक्सप्रेस है जो मैंगलोर से नवयुग एक्सप्रेस चलती है मैंगलोर से जम्मू तवाई तक. द लार्जेस्ट डिस्टेंस इंटायरली इन वन स्टेट कोल्हापुर गोंडेला महाराष्ट्र एक्सप्रेस. शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द स्टेशन सफीलोगोड़ा एंड दयानंद नगर स्टेशन ऑन द सिकंदराबाद 170 मीटर अपार्ट. Contrary to popular belief, the first train in India was the Red Hill Railway, which ran from Red Hills to Chandrapit Bridge in 1837. Sir Andor Cotton was credited with build the train, which was mainly used for transporting granite. First train, the new Delhi Bhopal Shatabdi is currently India's first train, reaching a maximum speed 150 km. However, Railway Minister Piyush Goyal announced that the newly launched train 18 manufactured by the Integral Coach in Chennai can reach speed 20 km per hour. Train with longest run, the Vivek Express running between the Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari. The Vivek Express running between the Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari cover 4 to 6 km around 82 hour and 30 minutes. The journey is not just the longest in the India, but it is the entire subcontinent. Longest railway platform in India. The platform at Gorakhpur railway station in Uttar Pradesh. The Gorakhpur railway station in Uttar Pradesh, world largest station, measuring a whopping 136 meter. The record was previously held by the platform at Kagarpur station, West Bengal, is 1072 meter. First electrical train in India. The first electrical train in India ran 3 February 1925 between Bombay Victoria Terminal and Korola Harbors. Later, the electrical line extended to Nasik, Igandapuri district to Pune. First passenger train in India. India is the first passenger train started its services 166 years ago. So 6 year 6 April 1853. 16 April 1853 Kawara station 33 km from Mumbai to Thane. The train carried 400 passengers. In Strasdale, the day was declared a public holiday. First bullet train India. The first bullet train in India will launched in 2020 National Highway Speed Railway Corporation Limited. The train will run Mumbai to Ahmedabad, connecting various cities, Gujarat to Mumbai. Laying the first railway track in India. Laying the first railway track in India, 21 August 1847, the Great Indian Peninsular Railway, along with the East India Company, constructed a 56-kilometer railway line which form a part of the connecting Bombay with Kaddesh and Biren. James John Breakaway was appointed as chief resident engineer. The railway line was used for India's first passenger railway, with the original opening in 1853. Largest railway junction in India, Mathura Junction. Largest railway junction in India. Mathura Junction is the largest railway junction in India, with a many as 7 routes emerging from the station. Mathura Junction also has a 10 platform with connectivity to all major first railway station in India. Boribundar, located in Mumbai, was the first railway station in India. India is the first passenger train run from Boribundar to Thane, 1853. It was built by the Great Indian Peninsular Railway. This station was rebuilt as the Victoria Terminal later in 1888, named as Queen Victoria. Most expensive luxury train in India. The Maharaja Express is the most expensive luxury train in India and is also among the most expensive in Asia. Over a course of 8 days, Maharaja Express is the most expensive luxury train in India के और ये among the most expensive expenses in Asia. Over a course of 8 days, Maharaja Express take a guest over some of the most prominent tourist destinations in India, including the Taj Mahal, Khajuraho Temple, Ranthambore, Fatehpur Sikri, and the Bathing Ghat of Banarsi. Pricing at $8 cabin. The most expensive ticket of the President suits is back to Beiping, India's oldest working locomotive. The famous fairy queen. The famous Fairy Queen is the world's oldest working locomotive that is still in use, manufactured way back in 1855. The Fairy Queen was listed in the Guinness Book Record as the world's oldest steam locomotive regular service. The Fairy Queen is the interesting give heritage state in 1972 the Indian government giving its state of national territory. Vastu railway network in India. The Indian railway track is spread across a massive 1,15,000 km, making it is the largest railway network in Asia and the world's second largest network operate under a single management. The entire track cover a route length 67,368 km. The full track length of Indian Railway can circle the equator 1.5 times. So, slowest train in India, Mithupalaya Ooty Nilgiri passenger train is the slowest train in India, running at speed of 10 km per hour, which is roughly 16 times slower than the faster train in India. The train covers 46 km in about 5 hours, which is due to the train operating in a hilly area. The scenic view offered make up the speed of the train. The adorable train, Indian Railway mascot, Bholu. Bholu, the guard elephant, is the mascot of the Indian Railway. Bholu was designed by the National Institute of Design in 2002 in honor of 150th anniversary of the Indian Railway. Bholu is seen holding a signal lamp with a great green light in it, which symbolizes movement, assurance to train and passengers to go ahead without fear. Shortest train station in India. IB railway station in Odisha was the destination of having the shortest name of the all station of the entire Indian railway network. The famous station device, the famous station driver is it name of the Ib river, which is a tributary of Mahanadi. Railway Museum in India. India is a home to 8 railway museums in Delhi, Pune, Kanpur, Mysore, Calcutta, Chennai, Dhoom, and Tiruchirappalli. The National Railway Museum in India in Delhi is the most visiting museum in India, with millions of tourists flocking to witness the rich heritage of this museum offer. The Fairy Queen and the world oldest work locomotive is one of the main tourist attraction at the museum. This museum is also the largest rail museum in Asia. First computerized reservation in India. In 1986, Indian Railway started its first computerized reservation in India in New Delhi. Before the computerizing era, Indian Railway followed the traditional manual registry entry method, which result in passengers standing queue for the hour at a stretch. Longest station name in India. Ventukumajan is the Andhra Pradesh at the Tamil Nadu border. In station longest name 29 letter. Local usually add the prefix Sri before the name, making it long by 3 letter. Indian Railway is biggest railway institute of India. Indian Railway is the biggest railway institute system of the Asia. Indian Railway is the largest Indian Railway is the largest railway network to operate by single government of world, third largest network to this kilometer. The Indian Railway is the world 8th largest employer with a total 1.4 million employees. The history of Indian Railway go back to 1853 when the first train steam and Bombay to Thane 34 kilometer. The electrical engine caused no pollution. It performed better than diesel engine. Now total length of Indian Railway about is 65,000 kilometer long railway track, in which almost 15,000 kilometer of the electrical line. The railway network is predominantly broad gauge. Small scratches of the network use meter and narrow gauge. All the electrified line use 25 kilometer AC. Sorry. There are almost 7,500 small and big railway stations in India. Indian Railway also help the Indian people to train 30 to 40 goods are carry railway in different part of country. The Indian Railway was nationalized in 1950. Lord Dalhousie was the Governor General of India at the time. The train was running by the coal rail engine. The first passenger train in South India run from Royapura, Vishnu Madras. The first passenger train in South India run from Royapuram, Vishnu Madras to Walajah Road at 1 July 1856 for distance 60 miles. The second train in India was run 1854 between Howrah and Hooghly. Indian Railway Board was established in 1905. Indian Railway Board was established in 1905 and the headquarters of Indian Railway is situated in New Delhi. Narrow gauge 6.1 meter. Narrow gauge broad gauge. Broad gauge is 5 feet 6 inches. Standard railway tie in 8 feet. Siliguri Junction is one of 3 railway stations that serve the Siliguri Darjeeling district. In Siliguri Junction is one of the 3 railway stations in the serve Siliguri in Darjeeling district in the Indian state of West Bengal. The 2 stations are Siliguri town and New Jaipurguri. It is the only station of the India having all 3 track railway: broad gauge, meter gauge, and narrow gauge. The British started the railway system to explore the source of India, to carry the raw material from the different port of India to port for export the material to England, and when the manufacture good come to port from England, they distribute sea good all over the country within a very short time period. Pambar Bridge. During the freedom struggle of the freedom fighter opposed the extend the railway network in country because of the railway system used by the British for fulfill their interest, and were in the explosion of India their own interest. After the independence, there are new chapters started in development of railway as Government of India established a separate Ministry of Railway. The first railway board was constructed by two Indian, Jagannath Shukanveshwari and Jamset Jehemoli. According to the distance the railway line, there are three systems of operating in the country. Broad gauge distance 1.267 meter gauge distance 100 meter, narrow gauge distance 0.762 or 0.6110 meter. Indian Railway has the second biggest electrified system in the world after Russia. On 31 March 1917, Indian Railway announced that the entire railway network in the country will be electrified by 2022. In 1986, computerizing ticket and reservation was introduced in 1986. Computerized ticketing and reservation was introduced in India for the first time at New Delhi. Credit card were start being accepted booking ticket and reservation some station in also in 1999. Indian Railway started divided into 17 zones, which are the further divided into division. Longest railway bridge, Bembard railway bridge in Kerala, is the longest railway bridge in India. The total length in 4 point. Longest railway bridge कौन सा है? Bembard railway bridge in Kerala. Railway function. The railway function as an operating ratio of 94%. That is spent 94 paise on every rupees that is earned. The first railway budget was presented in 1925. On 14 April 1951, the Southern Railway was created. In 1902, the Jodhpur Railway become the first introduce electrical light as standard fixtures in fixtures. In 1920, electrical lighting of the signal was introduced between Dadar and Kari Road in Bombay. Railway electrification in India began with the inauguration of the first electrical train between Victoria Terminus and Karola in Bombay on 3rd Feb 1925. First long distance electrical train of India. Deccan Queen run between Bombay and Pune 1930. Organization structure.